I feel like a scientist with this coat on. Hey y'all, John from Roxton Industries, back with another DIY wipes recipe. Today we're making glass cleaner wipes. So these wipes are perfect for cleaning glass on the go. You can keep them in an RV or in your car after a long road trip. You might have a lot of bugs on your windshield that you need to clean off. These wipes will do it all for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start making them. So for our ingredients, we have the following. We have 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 canister of DIY Roxton dry wipes. Now that we have all our ingredients together, we're going to mix them up in a separate container, and then once we have that all done, we're going to pour them directly into our Roxton DIY wipes canister. Of course, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes so that the solution can really get into the dry wipes and soak them. And there you have it. You now have your very own glass cleaning Roxton DIY wipes. They're perfect for use on any type of glass, a mirror, or even a screen in some circumstances. Of course, if you need to increase or decrease your solution size, you can go ahead and do that, but always, always, always remember to label whatever you put in your canister. Have a good day.